Hello everyone and welcome in today's video where we're going to learn about virtual functions. So as you see we have the old code as in the previous tutorial, and what we're going to do is we're going to simply print out these monsters and ninja classes. We're going to call them out in a way that we're going to use the virtual functions. So what we're going to do, simply at the beginning of the enemy class, we are going to, let me just change this. Perfect. We're just going to put the virtual function here. To make a virtual function, you need to write the word virtual and then you just declare a function like that. When you make a virtual function, you're going to use it polymorphally. So as you know, we learned about polymorphism, and virtual functions are a part from polymorphism. When we go here and when we check out on, let me zoom in, on the classes, ninja and monster, we see them, we are printing out ninja and monster where we set their attack. And as you see, we don't type here virtual to so our program knows that we're working with a virtual function, but we already declared it. We already declared attack as a virtual function, so the program knows, aha, okay, this is the virtual function he declared. So perfect. Now, as we see here, we are making the ninja and monster object, and here, as you see, we are pointing to the memory location. But in the last tutorial, not that we only point with the enemy object that we created from the enemy class, we also pointed with the monster and ninja objects that we used to print out the attack function that wasn't available in the enemy class. As you see here, because we made that virtual function, it we are using it polymorphally. So as you see, these other classes have it also, and we see, because we create the object that enemy 1 and enemy 2 that points to the memory location of the classes, we don't need to call them because they point to the attack that we made in our monster and ninja class. So when we run it again, we see ninja attack and monster attack. Simple as that. So I hope this didn't confuse you, and I tried it to make as simple as possible, but that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next tutorial.